Welcome, and thank you for joining us. Today, we're diving into a fascinating comparison between two remarkable countries, Russia and Turkey. Both nations stand at the crossroads of continents, each boasting a unique blend of history, culture, and influence that extends far beyond their borders. Let's begin with geography. Russia is the largest country in the world, spanning Eastern Europe and Northern Asia, covering a staggering 11 time zones. In contrast, Turkey acts as a bridge between Europe and Asia, sitting at the junction of two continents, and boasting strategic control over the Bosporus Strait. When it comes to history, both countries have ancient roots. Russia's narrative includes the rise of powerful czars and the monumental shift brought by the Soviet era. Its rich artistic tradition is seen in literature, music, and ballet. Turkey, on the other hand, is the successor of great empires, most notably the Byzantine and Ottoman empires. You can still walk through Istanbul and see remnants of both Christian and Islamic worlds, standing side by side. Economically, Russia is a powerhouse of natural resources with vast oil and gas reserves shaping its place on the global stage. Turkey, while less resource-rich, is a manufacturing and tourism hub, serving as a vital economic link between East and West. Culturally, both countries are known for their hospitality and vibrant traditions, from Russia's hearty cuisine and folk festivals to Turkey's flavorful dishes and bustling bazaars. Each offers a distinct experience, whether you're wandering through Moscow's Red Square or exploring the ancient streets of Istanbul. Despite their difference, Russia and Turkey share a history of strong leadership, strategic importance, and a proud sense of national identity. Thanks for watching this comparison. See you next time.